हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम करने वाले हैं एमसीक्यू विद आंसर ऑन सक्सेस इज काउंटेड स्वीटेस्ट। अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोएम हु वैल्यू सक्सेस द मोस्ट, ए द विनर, बी द सोल्जर, सी द लूज़र और डी द किंग। सो राइट आंसर इज सी द लूज़र, यानी कि जो लाइफ में हार जाते हैं, फेल हो जाते हैं, उन्हें ही सक्सेस की असली वैल्यू का मतलब पता होता है। द पोएम सजेस्ट दैट सक्सेस इज बेस्ट अंडरस्टैंड बाय दोज हु A work hard, B never try, C have failed and D are wealthy. So right answer is C have failed, कि जो फेल हो जाते हैं वो ही इसको अच्छे से समझते हैं। What symbolic object does Dickinson use to represent victory? विक्ट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए कौन सा सिम्बॉलिक ऑब्जेक्ट जो उन्होंने यूज़ किया है? A flower, B a flag, C a battle cry, D a nectar. So right answer is D a nectar. The word nectar symbolize, nectar किस चीज़ को symbolize करता है? A pain, B labor, C reward and D failure. So right answer is C, labor. The phrase success is counted sweetest means success is easy to achieve, success is sweetest to those who rarely succeed, and D success is meaningless, and D everyone enjoys success equally. So right answer is B, success suited to those who rarely succeed. जो बहुत ही मुश्किल से सफल हो पाते हैं उन्हीं के लिए सक्सेस क्या होती है? मीठी होती है। The dying soldier hears A church bell, B a bugle playing victory notes, C the horse hoof beats and D a morning song. So right answer is B, a bugle playing victory notes. यानी कि वॉर में जो सोल्जर्स हार जाते हैं उन्हें ही उस विक्ट्री का असली मतलब पता होता है। Only those who need success truly understand its meaning, the difficulty of war, the cost of life, the joy of winning. So right answer is A, its meaning. The poem consists of how many stanzas? A2, B3, C4 और D5. So right answer is B, 3. ये 3 stanzas की stories है। The tone of the poem is mainly A joyful, B sarcastic, C reflective and ironic, and D angry. So right answer is C, reflective and ironic. What literary device is used in the line not one of all the purple host? A simile, B alliteration, C metaphor or D hyperbole. So right answer is B, alliteration. Purple host refer to A royalty, B a group of priests, C an army or D king. So right answer is C, an army. The dying soldier represent A trump, B defeat, C wealth or D power. So right answer is B, defeat. यानी हार को दिखा रहे हैं कि जो सोल्जर्स मर रहे हैं असली विक्ट्री का मतलब भी उन्हीं को पता है, क्योंकि वो तो अब मर रहे हैं तो कभी भी सक्सेस को नहीं देख पाएंगे। The forbidden year refer to someone who is winning, is already dead, is defeated, is a king. So right answer is C, is defeated, जो हार चुके हैं। Which theme is most central to the poem? A wealth, B jealousy, C war or D value of success through deprivation. So right answer is D, value of success through deprivation. The bugle's victory sound is heard most clearly by A celebrating soldier, B dying soldier, C villager or D enemy. So right answer is B, the dying soldiers. Dickinson's poem highlight the contrast between a pain and pleasure, victory and defeat, life and death, hope and fear. So right answer is B, victory and defeat. The poem suggests that success cannot be understood by those who work hard, have always won, are rich, are clever. So right answer is B, have always won. यानी जो हमेशा ही सफल हो जाता है उसे सक्सेस का असली मीनिंग पता ही नहीं, उसकी वैल्यू ही नहीं पता है। Which poetic technique is used in the poem? A repetition, B enjambment, C free verse or D alliteration. So right answer is D, alliteration. Alliteration का बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें यूज़ हुआ है। As a defeated dying describes someone who is a winner, dead, losing the battle, a king. So right answer is C, losing the battle. The overall message of the poem is that success is best understood by those who do not have it. Easy to gain, unimportant, always enjoyable. So right answer is A, best understood by those who do not have it. So this is my last question. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment for more videos.